How to fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable issue. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable issue. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. When you try to set up Apple Pay and it's not working, I'll guide you on how to fix it. First of all, you need to close the page you're currently on. Now, open your settings and make sure you're properly connected to the internet. Scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. From here, turn off the restrictions. After that, go back and force restart your device. Check if Apple Pay is working now. If it's still not working, open settings again. Scroll down and tap on general. Ensure that your device is updated to the latest iOS version. If it's updated but still not working, go back to settings. Scroll down and tap on general again. Tap on language and region. Change your region to the correct one where you are living. After that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. That's all for the video.